In this sublesson, we're going to discuss what Quick Insights is, where it can be run from, what algorithms are applied to generate insights, and we'll discuss some limitations. Okay, so we're back on the dashboard in the Power BI service. And first what we should do is discuss what Quick Insights is. So you can run Quick Insights against a data set or a specific tile to generate insights and interesting visualizations based on your data. And it can help spot patterns that you may not have otherwise found on your own. So I mentioned two things, where it can actually be run from. So in this demonstration here, we're going to run Quick Insights from a dashboard tile itself. So we're not going to run it yet, but I'll show you where it is. We can click these three little dots in the upper right-hand corner of a dashboard tile. And down below, we have this View Insights. So we can go ahead and run Quick Insights from here. And at this point in time, it's actually called Scoped Insights because it's scoped to this particular dashboard tile. So an additional place that we can go ahead and run our Quick Insights is from the data set itself. And that can be found over here in my workspace. If I just scroll down to the data set section here, and on the three little dots right beside the sales data mart here, I can click on that, and up above, I can click this Get Insights, and insights will be generated against the entire data set. And this is referred to as Quick Insights. Okay, so let's go ahead and run Quick Insights, or the Scoped Insights, against the sales performance dashboard tile right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click these ellipses, go down to View Insights, click that button there, and then it's going to take a couple minutes to go ahead and generate those insights. Okay, so we see that we have the insights generated based on the tile that we chose here. So if we just scroll down the right-hand side of the screen here, we can see all the various insights that were generated for us. And it's up to us to really go through and take a look and see if any of these insights are truly something that we may not have spotted in our data on our own. So we can just comb through the items on the right-hand side. And if there's something that is of interest to us, we could go ahead and click the pin here and get that onto our dashboard. The other thing I want to point out here is the fact that the Quick Insights are taking advantage of the field names and table names from our data model. So once again, this is another area we want to really point out the work you put into the data model and coming up with good names that made sense and were descriptive are going to start paying dividends down the road. And here's where the down the road is, so that you can actually start understanding what is being generated much quicker versus having to look at cryptic names that aren't quite understandable. So self-documentation and good naming standards really start to pay off. Okay, so that is the Quick Insights piece. Let's just run and quickly take a look at the different algorithms that are run against our data set. Okay, so I'm right now over on the Microsoft Docs site, and I can go through here and see the different types of insights that are supported by Power BI. So if I just scroll down this page a little bit more here, we can take a look at all the different types of algorithms that are actually run. So there's the category outliers top and bottom, change points in a time series, a correlation, low variance, majority major factors, outlines, overall trends in time series, and we can see the list goes on and on. So you can go through all these things just to see the various different types of insights that are actually run against our data site. Okay, so that takes us to the end of this sublesson here where we introduced you to Quick Insights.